Welcome back everyone, and if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Now don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and that notification bell for more upcoming future videos.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah.
So for this holiday DIY, I wanted to start creating my holiday window treatments. If you would like to find out how I created these holiday window treatments, just continue watching. So to start off, I'll be using this piece of cardboard and I'll be cutting it according to my window size, 38 by 8 inches. And I'll be cutting it into 2 pieces and taping it together because I did not have one cardboard wide enough to get one whole piece. Next, I'll be taking this 1/2 inch project foam that I purchased from Walmart and I will cut 4 pieces according to the cardboard size. So I will have 2 inches thick. I will have a complete list of all items used in the description bar below. Next, I will start gluing all my foam pieces together using hot glue. Next, I will take my longest ruler and I will draw 2 straight lines on both sides, 2 inches apart from the edges. And then I will take a box cutter and I will start cutting into the lines until I have 1.5 inches deep. I will remain with 5 inches in the center. Here I'm just making sure I will have 1.5 inches deep cuts. Next, I will start cutting the inner and outer edges of the foam to give it a nice rounded curve appeal. Next, I'll be covering the entire foam board with this navy blue velvet material that I purchased from Walmart, and I purchased 2 yards. I'll be pulling and tucking the material in between the gaps as I go along. This is a unique way to create tuffing that you won't see every day. Next, I'll be using this metallic silver packing cord that I purchased from Walmart, and if you can see, it's very flexible. I'll be placing the cord in between the tufted lines and tightening it back and holding it in place with white duct tape. Next, I will gently start folding the sides and pulling the fabric towards the back and using my staple gun to hold it in place. But you may also use hot glue as well if you don't have a staple gun. Next, I'll be using this mirror finish trimming that I purchased from Walmart, and I'll be gluing it down using hot glue, leaving 3 inches from each opposite side. Next, I'll be using 9 rolls of Gen Wrap and gluing it in the center. Next, I'll be using 3 mirror foil poinsettias that I created in my last video. And in my last video, the piping that I used was red, and this time I'm using blue to match my decor. The link to that how-to video will be in the description bar below. Next, I'll be using different size rhinestones, and I'll be gluing them on using hot glue. I will also be gluing 1 rhinestone on each leaf of each poinsettia for the extra glam. This window treatment only weighs about 2 pounds, so I'll be using command strips to mount it onto the wall. I have to say, this is not the normal tufting that you see in window treatments every day, but I wanted to create something different and special for my guests to enjoy on Christmas Eve. I also created 2 curtain holders to hold each end of the curtains open just by using 2 pieces of the same fabric and some gem wrap. I hope you enjoy this holiday window treatment DIY as much as I enjoy making it. Now don't forget to like and share with family and friends. Leave a comment if you wish. Hit that notification bell for more upcoming future videos. And don't forget, I post new DIY videos every week. Happy holidays!